Hello dear friend. Today I want to make kuku. Kuku started with parsley, leek, garlic, coriander, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of flour, plain flour, and salt, turmeric, black pepper, and optional 1 teaspoon of zeresh or berry, and oil.
Hello dear friends. Now for kuku, we clean the vegetable, we wash the vegetable, we dry. Now I'm going to chop vegetable and leek. It must be very small piece of vegetable. This is a vegetable we chopped with leek. Now we are going to add the ingredients in this pot. As you see, this is 3 eggs, salt, pepper and turmeric, flour, and berry. Now in this case, we smashed a garlic with this machine. And starting to mix. Now we are going to put the ingredient, everything in this pan with hot oil.
Slightly press it.
And then
in the medium heat and put the lid on the pan, and after 20 minutes we must turn it. After 20 minutes I cut it to 4 pieces and turn it to another dish to cook to another side. I hope everything will be okay.
yes, you can see how to return.
I put again in the pan to cook another side.
Now kuku is ready. I hope you enjoy with yourself where you are going to cook.